Good afternoon. I'm going to do another Science with Miss Megan video. We're going to make a homemade rain cloud. So the supplies you need are shaving cream, any type of container. I'm going to use this mason jar, some water, and some food coloring. So the shaving cream is going to represent the cloud, and the blue food coloring is going to represent the rain. So first, you're going to use your water and fill up your container. So let's see, I'm going to fill it up a little bit more. So about 3/4 of the way, it should be filled like this. And then you're going to put some shaving cream on the top layer. Ready? It needs a good shaking, apparently. There we go. Get a paper towel. So see, I put the shaving cream on the top. And the shaving cream, like I said, represents the cloud. And now I'm going to pour some food coloring. And you're going to pour it on top. The kids can pour too. It's pretty easy. So you're going to do drip. There we go. And look, some of it's already falling down. So let me change the camera so you guys can see. Let me see, can I flip it? No. Let's see. And look at the rain coming down. So see how the food coloring's on the top and it's sinking through the cloud and it's falling down. Let me see. Let's try a different color and see how that goes. So, I'm going to do some red. Let me angle you guys different. And then I'm going to go like this. Oh, there we go. Perfect. And look, I put the red on the top. And look at the red is dripping through, and look at it's creating a rain. This is pretty much what happens when it rains. And like I said, the shaving cream acts like the cloud, and then the food coloring acts like the rain as it goes through the cloud and comes down. So that's an easy rain cloud activity you can do. So like I said, all you need is shaving cream, water, and I used a mason jar. You can use any type of container, and it's just a nice easy project to do with the kids. You can make your own rain cloud at home. Also, if you have sparkles or something, you can also put that in and make a cool design. So that's just a little Science with Miss Megan video. Thank you for watching. Bye.